GIFT Nifty signals a gap-down start for domestic equities, setting the stage for a cautious opening. Early morning jitters stem from weak Wall Street cues on Friday. The S&P 500 slid 1%, the Dow retreated 0.4% after touching record highs, while the Nasdaq tumbled 1.9%. The sell-off reflects margin pressures and rising caution around AI-linked stocks, notably despite the Fed's recent rate cuts. Our call of the day: benchmark Nifty is likely to face selling pressure, with multiple headwinds in play, like 1. Relentless FII selling continues to weigh on sentiment. 2. Rupee weakness persists, hovering near 90 rupees and 44 paise per USD, adding macro stress. 3. FII outflows remain elevated. FY26 to date net selling stands at 1.52 lakh rupees crore, with 9,202 crore rupees sold in the past week alone. The big question: when will FPI stage a meaningful comeback? Market trends. The global cues are negative. In Friday's negative session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of rupees 1114 crores, while DII were net buyers to the tune of rupees 3869 crores. Nifty's sentiment is likely to remain bearish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals suggest massive consolidation. F&O December month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,500 and 26,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has slipped near 10.11 levels. At last check, USDINR, December, was trading near the 90.44 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th December, is at 1.06 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th December, is at 0.90. Nifty outlook: brace for a session clouded by weak sentiment and downside bias. As the market tone remains distinctly pessimistic, caution should prevail on any excessive strength. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 26,047. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 25,693 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 26,203 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,850 and 26,150. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 85,268. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 84,150 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 85,797 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 84,700 and 85,700. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 59,390. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 58,700 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 59,900 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 58,700 and 59,700. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. Nifty bulls delivered a spectacular comeback in Friday's trade, sending the benchmark above the 26,000 mark. Stocks in spotlight. In last week's trade, 3 stocks commanding attention were: 1. Vodafone Idea, plus 7.78%, 11 rupees 64. Vodafone Idea stock price zooms higher and sustains above FPO price, hit highest level since September 2024. 2. Delivery, plus 1.9%, 412 rupees. Delivery shares gained amidst optimism around improving parcel volumes and logistics activity lifted sentiment in the stock. 3. Interglobe Aviation, minus 9.5%, 4,861 rupees. Interglobe Aviation, the operator of Indigo, fell hard after the government directed the airline to trim 10% of scheduled flights following more than 2,000 cancellations last week.